大家好啊！今日嚟到呢個祈佛啊，加蘭丹嘅屈波迪恩พุ特根，或者係叫雙龍寺，如果冇記錯啊，靚唔靚？呢個係格蘭丹，即係馬來西亞嘅東海岸最北部嘅。呢個就係個許願樹，好多人嚟過㗎。其實藍天白雲。Good morning, everyone. Good day, not good morning. Good day. Sorry, I'm a bit overwhelmed. Welcome to this one. It's a Thai temple. It's all in Kelantan, the most northeast place of Malaysia. And I'm bringing you here because I've been here for quite many times already in the past for my lunch and whatnot, and so just a brief walk through 啦。以前我成日嚟嘅，因為呢度做生意啊嘛，咁得閒嚟到加蘭丹咯，未體會下咯，再睇翻下呢啲舊陣時冇嘅。It's all new. The time I came, there's nothing like this before. So even this, so wow. Even there's like some Sangha members around here. There's a school for them to teach Thai. 呢度有人教泰文嘅，都有，因為呢度有本地嘅禪人啊，所以佢哋嚟呢度啲細路咧就可以去參與學禪話，係啦，係幾靚。So there's a lot of local Chinese here, or local Siamese also. They born here, but they have mixed parentage, you know. So this place, there's a community that actually teaches them Siam language.呢個咧就係嗰個四面佛。呢度就係佢個大殿啦，好靚嘅。有啲似泰國，有啲似普通嘅住家區啦，唐型嘅住家區啦，有啲似。So it looks like a bit like a Thai house, a typical house in Thailand. It's also some Chinese flavors. 好多人嚟呢度靜修啊！嗱，呢度咧就嚟可以算命噶喎。So there's a fortune teller here on duty, supposedly. I've done that before. 我有嚟過呢度算命嘅，但係唔係呢度啦，佢以前喺入邊嘅。So it was last time it used to be inside, but now I think they have done it outside, probably for more awareness. But it's such a beautiful place, I feel. Very high, very good energy here. So if you have time, you can come over here and have a look yourself. And also there's some nice food around here you can explore. And I'm sure you will not feel not worth it. Yeah, so I will stop my video here. I will end it here today. It's a brief visit. There's some dinosaur figurines also over there. You can see. 即係呢度咧，我哋真係好耐冇嚟啦，10幾年啦，依然都係一樣，但係有啲 upgrade 咗呢度啦，仲有個窟啦，嗰時仲係起緊嘅。呢個應該係大堂嚟嘅，但係俾人哋做法會用嘅。然之後我哋有個恐龍啦，又可以俾細路仔嚟打個咳咁嘅。呢個雙龍寺就到此一遊啦。多謝收睇，記住 subscribe 我嘅 channel 啦。OK，拜拜。